Good morning, students. In this video I am going to your new exercise, that is exercise 4e. So what is the first question? First question, multiply the following. You have to multiply 12 by 2 by 6. Okay, then write 12 as it is. By you have to write as multiply. Just see here, you have to multiply 12 by 2 by 6. Then what you do, just write 12 as it is, then multiply and then 2 by 6. Now 6 1 just 6, 6 2 is 12. What you get? 2 into 2 means 4. 4 is your answer. Now explain here. Just write 12 as it is, 2 by 6 as it is. Why you have to replace by multiply. Now just cut 6 1 just 6, 6 2 is 12. What you get? 2 here, 2 here. Then left here 2 into 2, that is what you will get? 4. 4 is your answer. Now come on B part. Write 32 as it is. By you have to convert by multiply. It is 5 by 8. Now 8 1 is 8. 8 4 is 32. What you get? 4 into 5, that is 20 is your answer. Now come on C part. 64 by 7 by 8. By you have to multiply. Now 8 1 is 8. 8 8 is 64. What you get? 8 into 7 as it is. Now what is the answer? 8 7 is 56. 56 is your answer. Now come on D part. 90 by 2 by 15. Then write 90 as it is. By multiply, then 2 by 15. Now cut 15 1 is 15. 15 6 is 90. Now remaining here 6 and 2. Then 6 into 2, what you will get? 12. 12 is your answer. Now come on second part question. Find the product. Product also means multiply. What is the meaning of product? Product also means multiply. So you have to write 4 into 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. Now just check upon side if these number are cut divisible. Not. This side not. Now check cross. Cross also not divisible. This also not divisible. If the number are not cut by upper side, upper means numerator by denominator or by cross, then if they are not divide, then simply you multiply. 4 3 is 12, 7 5 is 35. Now come on B part. B part you check if you want to cut upper side not cut, upper side not cut, upper lower. Now just see cross. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. You will cut now. Now 11 is not cut by 4. Then what will you get? You get here 3 upon 11 into 4. Then what will you get? 3 4 is 12. It is 12 upon 11 is your answer. Are you remember how we convert into a mixed fraction? 12 divided by 11, that is 11 1 is 11. What will get remainder here? 1. So what you do? Write 11 here, remainder upside and quotient this side. It means that you can write 1 is to 1 upon 11 also. In the previous exercise you already solved this type of question. Now come on C part. 5 upon 12 into 3 upon 10. Now just check cross. If you want to check cross, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. What do you get? You get 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. What do you get? 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8 is your answer. Now D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Come on E part. E part is 1 is to 5 upon 9. All of you know how can we solve the mixed fraction? Now just like that one, we have to solve like that one. 9 1s are 9 plus 5 upon 9 and 3 upon 2 as it is. What is here? 9 1s are 9 right here and then plus 5 into 3 by 2. Now what you get? 9 plus 5 you get 14. 14 upon 9 to 3 by 2. Now just divide. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. What you will get here? You get here 7 upon 3 into 1. What directly will get? 7 upon 3. Now just convert this into mixed fraction. 3 2 is 6. What you get here? 1. Then what you will get? Right as it is. Remainder right upside and quotient right in front of it. It means that 2 is to 1 upon 3 is your answer in mixed fraction. Both answers are right. It is the improper fraction. It is a mixed fraction. Now come on F part. F part is 1 is to 4 upon 6 plus 2 is to 3 upon 8. First solve this. 6 1s are 6 and plus 4. What you get? 10. That become 10 upon 6. Now 8 to just 16. 16 plus 3. What you will get? 19. You get 19 upon 8. Now just check. If they cut, yes, cut. 2 3 is 6. 2 5s are 10. If you divide cross, if they are not cut, then right here 5 upon 3 and 9 upon 8 as it is. Now simply multiply. 19 5s are 19 5. 8 3 is 24. Now when you convert into a mixed fraction, what will you get? Like that one. If you want to convert 95 and you get a 24. Now 24 is the what you get here. 2 carry 1 to the 8, 72. Now if you minus, you get 23. So what you do, write remainder upside and quotient in front of it. It means that 3 is to 23 upon 24 is your answer. This is also right answer, this is also right answer. It is in, the answer is given in improper fraction, this is also given in mixed fraction. Now come on G part. 4 3 is the 12, 12 plus 2 14, you get 14 upon 3 here. Now 7 to the 14, 14 plus 6 20, you get 20 upon 7 here. Now just cut 7 1 the 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, so you got 2 upon 3 to 20 upon 1. Now if you check, they are not cut. Now simple to multiply. 20 2 the 40 and 3 1 the 3. If you convert into a mixed fraction, you will get 13 is to 1 upon 3. Just divide here. 40 divided by 3, you get here 3 1 the 3 1 and 3 3 is a 9. What you get here? 1. So write 1 upside and the quotient in front of it. So you get 13 is to 1 upon 3 is your answer. Similarly, H part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on question number 3. These are the real life problem or word problems. Just see the question. Sonal has 72 marbles, 5.8 of them are green and rest are blue. Suppose there is a girl named Sonam. They have total 72 marbles. How many marbles they have? 72. 5 upon 8 of them are green. Out of 72, 5 upon 8, it means 5 upon 8 of 72 are green and the rest are blue. Find the number of green and blue marble. Okay, total number of marbles you have 72. Okay, fraction of green marbles you have 58, 5 upon 8, sorry, fraction of green marble is 5 upon 8. Now just write here number of green marble is 5 upon 8 of 72. Write fraction here and total here. What I will see here, total number of marbles 72 and fraction of green marbles 5 upon 8. Now just see the question. Question say that 5 upon 8 of them are green. What is the number of green marble? 5 upon 8 of them. Them means total. So you write here number of green marble is equal to 5 upon 8 of total. Of you can write here multiply. Write 72. Now 8 1s are 8, 8 9s are 72. What you will get? 5 into 9. It means 45. So number of green marble is 45. Number of green marble is 45. It is given that 5 upon 8 of them. Them is total. That is 72 are green. If when you solve, you will get 45. Now total are 72. Total are 72. And 45 are green. Then what is the number of blue marbles? Just subtract it from the total. Na? Because there are only 2 marbles, green and blue. Total you know 72 and green you know 45. Then what is the blue? Just subtract it from 72. Right here number of blue marble, what you get from the total, subtract number of green marble, then you will get number of blue marble. What I am telling, from the total subtract number of green marble, you will get number of blue marble. So you will get 27. Now second B part, question say that Anil bought a house for rupees 1 10 100 lakh 5 lakh 1 10 100,000 lakh. Okay, Anil bought a house for rupees 5 lakh. He gave 3 upon 5 as down payment. Calculate the amount of down payment. Okay, simply you have to find just the 3 upon 5 of total. Now just see here, total cost of house is 5 lakh. Fraction of down payment is 3 by 4. So amount of down payment is 3 upon 5 of total. What is the amount of down payment? That is fraction of total. It means 3 5 upon total. Of you means multiply. Now just get 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, remaining 0 as it is. Now you get 3 into 1 lakh. Finally you get 3 lakh. 1 10 100,000 lakh. It means that amount of down payment is 3 lakh. Total you have 5 lakh. And what is the fraction? Fraction is 3 upon 5. So you have to find the fraction of the total. Then cut simply 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, which is 3 into 1 lakh, that is 3 lakh is your down payment. Now come on C part. Anuj drank 5 upon 9 of 9 liter of juice. Anuj is drink 5 upon 9 of 9 liter of juice in 1 week. How much juice in liter did he drink in the week? Okay, total juice you have 9 liter. Fraction of juice drink in 1 week is 5 upon 9. Then quantity of juice drink in 1 week. How much juice he drink in 1 week? 5 upon 9 of total na. Then 5 upon 9 of means multiply, total is 9. What is telling? He drink 5 upon 9 of total. Total is 9. Of is converted to multiply, then 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 5, simply you get 5 liter. Then so total juice is 9 liter. Fraction of juice drink in 1 week 5/9. Then what is the quantity of juice drink in 1 week? So 5/9 of total. Of means multiply, total means 9. Cut 9 by 9, what will you get here? 5. So answer is only 5 liters. Now come on the last question of this exercise. Sheila got 30 marks in math test and her friend Anu got 1/3 of Sheila marks. Simply, Sheila got how many marks? 30. And Anu how much marks got? 1/3 of 30. Of means multi, just cut simple, it means 10 is their answer. Now just I am explaining by language. Marks got by Sheila in math test is 30. What am I writing here? Marks got by Sheila in math test is 30. Then marks got by Anu in math test is, what is the fraction of marks get by Anu is 1/3 na. So you can write here 1/3 of what? He is told that her friend Anu got 1/3 of Sheila marks. So you write 1/3 of what it is? Sheila marks. Then 1/3 of means multiply by Sheila marks. Sheila marks is 30. Simply you calculate, what will you get here? 10. So right here, marks got by Sheila in math test is 30. Marks got by Anu in math test is what? 1/3 of Sheila marks. So 1/3 of Sheila marks is 30. Now solve 1/3 as it is, of multiply 30 as it is. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 times are 30. Simply will get 10 ones are 10, that is 10 marks. So marks got by Anu in math test is 10 marks. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Your exercise 4 is completed. In the next class we have completed our new next exercise, that exercise 4F. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Thank you.